Well, let me show you what we got going on. I'm Ken from K&K Tree. I bought this Oregon wood splitter last year, and I've had some issues since I bought it. Even when it was brand, sometimes it just doesn't want to start. Other times it doesn't want to stay running. It just dies, and then I can't get it started. I've done a little bit of digging online, and I couldn't really come up with any definite reason as to why that was happening. So today it started up fine. It was running for about 5 minutes and it quit, and I couldn't get it started. So I went and got just a couple random parts, went and swapped out the spark plug, tried that, air filter, tried that, and nothing, couldn't get it started. And I finally stumbled on a forum about these single cylinder motors. These motors have a low oil sensor that apparently is frequently faulty, even on newer machines. So let me show you what's going on right now. The motor's on, the fuel's on, choke's off because it's already warm. I had it running, and you'll see that fires, sputters for a second, shuts down. So what I did after I finally found this one single thread on a forum that I wish I would have found forever ago, this green wire right here, so here's the front of the motor from the side, here's your on-off switch. This green wire right here is the oil pressure sensor, and all I did was unplugged it. Once I did that, the machine, for whatever reason, just unplugging it bypasses that sensor. So on, fuel on. And that's another thing with this machine too, or with any machine that has that fuel on off switch. Make sure you turn that off after you shut the machine down, or else it'll flood really easily and be hard to start as well. But if I'm right, it should fire up and stay running this time. That's it, guys. Super easy fix. It's still very frustrating that, this machine has probably got 20 hours max on it. I have not used it much at all, and super frustrating that that's a known issue on these. But that's your easy fix. Unplug it, and just that there's oil in it before and after you run it, and you should be good. So I hope that helps somebody who has a similar issue as me. Have a good one.